Want to know the secret to 10x your wealth? It's not what you think. In this video, we're talking about the often misunderstood world of real estate investing. From debunking common myths to revealing lucrative strategies, get ready to have your mind blown and your financial future transformed. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, this video will challenge everything you thought you knew about building wealth. So, what are you waiting for? Watch now and discover the surprising ways real estate can help you achieve financial freedom. Join me as I take on the challenge of discovering how to 10x my wealth through real estate, and see if I can actually make it happen. When it comes to building wealth, most people think of stocks, bonds, and savings accounts. But there's one often overlooked strategy that has the potential to catapult your financial progress: real estate. By leveraging real estate, you can unlock a powerful tool for generating passive income, diversifying your portfolio, and creating long-term wealth. Many of us have heard the horror stories about real estate investing gone wrong: the market crashes, the tenants from hell, and the endless repairs. It's no wonder that many people are hesitant to get started. But the truth is, these fears are often rooted in misinformation and lack of understanding. One common misconception is that you need to be a millionaire to invest in real estate. The reality is, you can start small, with a single-family home or even a tiny unit in a real estate investment trust. Another fear is that real estate investing is only for the bold and daring, those who are willing to take on massive risks. But the truth is, real estate can be a relatively stable and secure investment, especially when compared to the volatility of the stock market. By doing your due diligence, educating yourself, and making smart decisions, you can minimize risks and maximize returns. And then there's the myth that real estate investing is only for the wealthy, that it's a game reserved for the elite. But nothing could be further from the truth. With the right strategies and mindset, anyone can invest in real estate and start building wealth. In fact, many people have built their fortunes from scratch using real estate as their primary investment vehicle. Real estate investing is a broad field, and there are many strategies to choose from. One popular approach is to invest in rental properties, which can provide a steady stream of passive income. Another strategy is house flipping, where you buy a distressed property, renovate it, and sell it for a profit. And for those who want to dip their toes into real estate without directly managing properties, there are real estate investment trusts, or REITs, which allow you to invest in a diversified portfolio of properties without the hands-on work. Rental properties, for example, can provide a reliable source of income, especially if you're able to find a property with a strong potential for cash flow. House flipping, on the other hand, can be a more speculative approach, but with the right team and strategy, it can be highly lucrative. And REITs offer a way to diversify your portfolio and tap into the performance of the broader real estate market. One of my favorite stories is about a couple who transformed their financial situation through real estate investing. They started by investing in a small rental property, which generated a modest income. But they didn't stop there. They continued to educate themselves, network with other investors, and work towards their goal of financial freedom. Fast forward a few years, and they had amassed an impressive portfolio of properties, generating tens of thousands of dollars in passive income each month. Their strategy was simple yet effective. They focused on finding undervalued properties, renovating them to increase their value, and then renting them out to tenants. They also made sure to diversify their portfolio, investing in different types of properties and locations. And through it all, they remained disciplined, patient, and committed to their goal of financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more content on wealth building and financial freedom. Real estate is a powerful tool for building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Investing in properties offers a tangible asset that not only appreciates over time but also provides multiple income streams. From rental income to property appreciation, real estate generates cash flow and builds equity, which can be leveraged for other investments or reinvested into additional properties. This approach to wealth building is significant because it allows for both active and passive income, creating financial stability and opportunities for long-term growth. Real estate also serves as a hedge against inflation, as property values tend to increase along with the cost of living. For those committed to building generational wealth, real estate provides a sustainable asset that can be passed down, ensuring financial security for future generations. By thoughtfully investing in real estate, individuals can make strides toward true financial independence. Real estate has incredible wealth-building potential, yet many people hesitate due to common misconceptions and fears. One of the biggest misconceptions is that real estate requires massive upfront capital, making it seem out of reach for the average person. While it's true that property purchases can be costly, there are financing options, partnerships, and investment strategies that make it accessible without needing a fortune to start. Another fear is market volatility, with concerns that property values may suddenly drop, leading to financial losses. While real estate markets do fluctuate, they generally move slower and are less volatile than stock markets, offering a more stable, long-term investment. Some worry about the time and effort required to manage properties, but various types of investments, like real estate investment trusts, REITs, or property management services, allow people to invest passively. There's also the idea that investing in real estate is risky or only for the wealthy, when in fact, it's one of the few assets that can appreciate in value, produce consistent income, and even be leveraged to acquire additional properties. With careful planning and the right strategy, real estate can be a highly effective way to multiply wealth and create lasting financial freedom. Investing in real estate offers multiple strategies to grow wealth, each with unique benefits and opportunities. Rental properties are one of the most popular approaches, where investors purchase properties to rent out, generating steady cash flow over time. As rental income covers expenses and builds equity, the property can appreciate in value, creating both short-term income and long-term wealth. Rentals can range from single-family homes to multi-unit buildings, allowing for flexibility in the type of investment. House flipping involves buying properties, renovating them, and selling at a higher price. This strategy can yield substantial profits in a relatively short time, especially when investors buy undervalued properties in promising markets. Though flipping can be more hands-on and time-sensitive, the return on investment can be high if managed well, adding a rapid boost to wealth. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, provide a way to invest in real estate without directly owning property. REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance income-generating properties. By purchasing shares in a REIT, investors can access the real estate market's earning potential without dealing with property management. REITs also offer liquidity, as shares can be easily bought or sold on the stock market, and they often pay dividends, making them a convenient way to earn passive income. Each of these strategies contributes to wealth growth differently, from the cash flow of rentals to the quick profits of flipping and the passive income of REITs. By choosing or combining strategies that align with their goals and risk tolerance, investors can effectively build wealth and work toward financial freedom. One compelling success story is that of Sarah, a single mother who transformed her financial situation through real estate investing. Sarah started with modest savings and initially bought a small, undervalued duplex in her city. With the help of a low-down payment loan and some sweat equity, she was able to renovate one of the units on a tight budget, using evenings and weekends to do much of the work herself. Sarah rented out the renovated unit and lived in the other, using the rental income to cover her mortgage, which allowed her to live nearly rent-free. This strategy, known as house hacking, was her key to getting started with minimal costs. After a few years, Sarah used the equity she'd built in the duplex to finance a second property, a single-family home she could fully rent out. By leveraging her growing knowledge of property management and keeping her renovations cost-effective, Sarah continued to add properties to her portfolio, focusing on neighborhoods with strong rental demand and affordable housing prices. Over time, the rental income from her properties allowed her to quit her job and manage her investments full-time. Today, Sarah owns multiple rental properties, each contributing cash flow and equity, and her real estate portfolio is valued at over $1 million. Her strategy, beginning with house hacking, using sweat equity, and strategically refinancing to buy new properties, allowed her to achieve financial independence and build a sustainable income for her family. This gradual but strategic approach to real estate investment highlights how even modest beginnings can lead to substantial financial transformation through disciplined investing and leveraging property equity. Real estate is a powerful avenue for wealth building, offering various strategies to multiply investments. Rental properties provide steady cash flow and long-term appreciation, house flipping can yield quick profits, and REITs offer accessible, passive income options without property ownership. While common fears, such as high costs, market volatility, and management demands, can discourage new investors, these can often be managed with creative financing, sound market research, and strategic planning. Through methods like house hacking or leveraging property equity, even modest investments can grow substantially. Overcoming initial doubts and starting small can unlock real estate's potential to create lasting financial freedom. What do you think about real estate investing? I'd love to hear your thoughts or any questions you have in the comments below. And if you're interested in more ways to build wealth, be sure to check out my other videos for practical strategies and insights. Let's continue the journey toward financial freedom together.